So guys, on the previous presentation, we were talking about how do you register up with a broker, multi-bank, how do you open a trading account, and so forth. So we saw that if you want to add another or an additional account, you can just come here and the details will be sent on your mail. Okay, as seen above. So you'll receive such a mail and it will tell you the account number, the password that you'll be using there, the server, and then you have the download platform. So on this very one, I want us to talk about how do you download the platform to trade. So it's quite simple. You come to the home page, and then on the home page you'll see platforms. Okay, so when you click multi-bank group or you go to their home page, you will see platforms. So on these platforms, just click on it and then you move down and you'll be able to see desktop. So make sure you click on this on the desktop, and when you click on this, it will start downloading. So after that, so you can just install it, then it will bring you this. You put next and then give it time. So this is the process of installing the MT4. You go to your members area, homepage, you'll see platforms. On the platforms, you move down to desktop, you click on it, and then it will start installing. So give it time to finish. So as it's installing, so the MT4, this is the place whereby we will be taking the trades from. You deposit on the members area, and then the money will reflect both on the members area and on the MT4. So the MT4, this is the place whereby you'll be taking your trades from. So you just give it a few until the green finishes to load. So you can have the platform both on your phone and on your laptop. So depending on how easily you can access your device, you can have it on a smart device like smartphone, tablet, laptop, and so forth. So it's almost on the email that you've been sent to. You will be using this on the MT4. That's your login detail, and this is your password that you'll be using on the MT4 to log into that very account. So if you deposit, you can decide to deposit on this, but remember you can have as many accounts as possible. So it's almost done. Just give it a few. So this is the process of the installation. Once you click on that desktop device, this one, it will start running on this very page, as you can see. So after that, you're good to go. You can click on finish. So immediately you click on finish, it will bring you to this page, which is not important. Just cancel it, and on your desktop you'll be able to see this MEX. So you click on it, and when you click on it, it has brought you to this very page. So if you want to log in, for instance, you'll come to this very part, Then you put the login. You will take the details that were provided to you. Which were those details? The account number, which is this. I'll copy it. And see, so it means that it's up and running. So that's how we install the platform. And when it comes to taking the trades, it's quite easy. I'll just show you guys. So immediately when you download the platform, it will always look like something of sort. Okay, so I'll just take you guys through very fast on how do you use this platform. Okay, just in a nutshell. So we have, you can see the upper part here, 331 MEX International Real. That is your account. This is your account. And then we have file. File is not really important. We don't use it. View, not really important. Insert, once you subscribe to our VIP classes, then you'll be able to learn about how to use insert when doing analysis. Charts, not really important. Tools, window, help, we don't really use it. We have this called the create a new chart. This is the place whereby you'll be getting all the securities that are tradable. So in case you want to trade Euro USD, you just come and click on it and it will appear on the chart. If you want to trade Audi CHF, you click on it and it will appear on the chart. It's that easy. After that, we have profiles. We don't really use it. After that, we have Market Watch. So the first time that you install your platform, you'll realize that not all the securities will be there because it's not updated. So the first time, and you only do this on the first time you install the platform, you come click on the Market Watch, you right click there, you hide all, and then you right click again and you show all, and then you are done with that. You can cancel. So when you come to your watch list now, you'll realize you have more securities to trade. All of them are now updated. Good. And then after that, we have data window. We don't really use it. We have navigator. So navigator, you may have many accounts on this platform. So in a scenario that you have many accounts, you don't need each and every time to be putting the password. You may just come and click it here. Or you click this one. If you have 10 accounts, they will all appear here. You can see this image of the person shows different accounts. Okay, so depending on the one that you want, remember we said that you can have as many accounts as possible. After that, we have the terminal, and when you click on the terminal, now it will give you your account details, the balance, the equity, the free margin, and so forth, whether it's real or demo, and your account history, how you've been performing. And then after that, after the terminal, we have strategy tester. We don't really use it. And then we have new order. This is the place whereby we normally take the trades. So the symbol, this is the security you're trading, the one that you chose here, but always confirm it's the right one. And then we have the volume. On this very part, remember we talked about the volume. If you have a capital of $100, 10,000 shillings, you choose 0.01. If you have a capital of $200, you choose 0.02. If you have a capital of $300, you choose 0.03, and so forth. Okay, so you may decide whether to sell or to buy. Okay, And then after that, we have this meta quotes language. We don't use it. We don't use that one. We don't use that one. Auto trading, we don't use that one. So when it comes to the chart, we normally have different types of charts. On our scenario, we'll be using the candlesticks to trade. So you can see we have bar charts, candlestick, and line charts. We will be using the candlestick to trade. So when the chart is like this, you can't really understand what is happening because it's not clear and you cannot read the data very clearly. So make sure that you put your chart in a suitable way that you can read it. So how do you do that? You come inside the chart, right click, you can see properties. On this one, you can copy the way I'm doing it. You can put your background as white, foreground as black, grid you may leave it that way, bar up put it as black, bar down put it as black, bull candle it shows positivity, you can put it as blue, bear candle you can put it as red, line the others you can leave them like that. And then I usually prefer my charts really clear, so come to common and check the show grid, and then after that you can press OK. So you can zoom in. Now you can see the chart is a bit clear and you can see the candlesticks a bit in a more clear way. So that said, you'll understand if you see red candles, you understand it's bearish, the market is falling. If it's blue, it's bullish, the market is rising up. So it's that easy, okay? So if you go to another chart, does it mean that each and every time you have to select to be going to properties and then you select the colors? No. On the one that you have selected, you just come to template, save template. You can put it as your name. For example, you can put it as JM Capital. So when I go to another chart and it gives me that, I just come, click there, templates, and I'll go to JM Capital. It will direct me to the template that I've chosen. After that, we have zoom in, zoom out, self-explanatory. And then this one, we don't really use it to trade. And then the other parts, this is what we do when it comes to the classes. So I'm just giving you a nutshell of how do you take trades, in case you're wondering how do we normally take trades. So we take trades from new order, we have the volume, we have stop loss, take profit. I normally provide this on the signals that I give. So if it's stop loss, you put it here, take profit, you input it here, and volume you also input according to your capital. So that said, I'll also do a recording on how do you use MT4 when it comes to a smartphone or a tablet. How do you use it there? So I hope you've understood how to install the platform and how to use it in a nutshell.